Hi, my name is Dr. Michelle Mathews, and I'm an associate teaching professor in the Department of Human Development and Family Science at the University of Missouri. I'm also a faculty member and advisor for the Early Childhood Education in a Mobile Society degree program. Each fall, I teach a course entitled Technology in Young Children. The early childhood profession has always been divided on the role of technology in early childhood programs. Some early childhood educators embrace technology, whereas others choose to have technology-free environments for preschoolers and older children. The COVID-19 pandemic taught us a lot, including that technology was a lifeline for many of us. Technology allowed us to stay in contact with close friends and family and helped us continue our work in non-traditional ways. However, the pandemic also showed us that many early childhood educators lacked the technology skills and were unprepared to navigate teaching, learning, and working in an online world. In my course, we explore the pros and cons of technology with young children and their families, and I show students how they can use adaptive and assistive technologies to enhance children's motor, cognitive, language, social, emotional, and creative development. I also show students how technology is a tool that can make our professional and personal lives easier. Each week, students learn a new technology skill and demonstrate that skill the following week. These skills can be as simple as taking a screenshot to using VoiceThread to narrate and explain an assignment. Other skills students learn include using scheduling, sign up, and scanning apps, creating QR codes, Google Forms, and meaningful hyperlinks, and screencasting. Students also learn how classroom management platforms and apps can make communication, child assessment, and curriculum planning easier, along with the pros and cons of social media. Students conclude their semester by creating a professional online blog for families where they write 10 blog posts on technology-related topics, incorporating technology into their posts as much as possible. Thanks for taking the time to learn about my course. I hope it's been helpful to learn about.